Hello everyone, 大家好. Now I'm very glad that you're watching this video because it means you've started planning your success. That is learning Chinese. One of the most common questions we get here at Domino is, how should I study? I've got so much material, how should I study? And that is what this video is here to answer. It's pretty straightforward actually. Let's start with step 1, which would be learn something. So watch a lesson, that is. Also make sure that you finish every quiz after every video because that's important for you. Also, even more importantly, once you finish an entire lesson, just to make sure that you've learned everything for the last 30 minutes and you can retain it, make sure you do a lesson quiz. And here we go with step 2, if applicable, mind you. Practice dialogues. After every video you watch, you'll learn more and more words. And by the time you've learned all the words in any of our 1,000 dialogues, we'll recommend that specific dialogue to you so you can practice exactly what you need to practice on. I think that's a wonderful feature. Step 3 now, flashcards. Now similar to the dialogues here, every watched video counts towards words that you've learned in those videos. So once you've finished a lesson, you can just go through the flashcards and you can review the words that you've just learned. Now the next and last step is reserved for excellent students only, because that would be pulling up a course book. Here now you'll get a chance to practice the words and characters that you've learned, but also to put them in longer sentences and to use them more naturally as well. The course book here will cover all the 20 levels that we have in our main course, so it's definitely a good tool to keep by your side all the time. Now there's a step 5 as well, which I'd like to mention. That would be live synchronous learning in smaller or larger groups. However, we don't offer that at the moment, but hopefully by the time you're watching this video, it'll all be available for you. Now this is something very exciting and you'll just have to go to the study resources page to read more about it simply. Now you've actually reached the end of the cycle here. What you do now is you move on to the next lesson and repeat the cycle. Fantastic. Now this will definitely make you a fantastic student if you can stick to these guidelines, and if you do so, you won't need any other resources to learn Chinese. This will simply cover all of it, trust me. Now that pretty much sums up my video as well. So 谢谢 very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye guys.